Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
This is exactly why people with diabetes should eat mangoes every day. Recently, it has been discovered that mango is an extremely beneficial food when it comes to diabetes. A study conducted in Australia discovered that mango is useful in the fight against diabetes and treatment of metabolic disorders. Consuming mango on a daily basis will protect and treat diabetes as well as the high bad cholesterol. According to the PhD student Ashley Wilkinson at the University of Queensland, mangoes contain similar components as some diabetes and cholesterol drugs. Besides the fact that mangoes are relatively high in sugar, they are very useful for diabetes. The main objective of any diabetes diet is to maintain the blood glucose levels stable and balanced. Hence, as the University of Maryland Medical Center states, the diabetes diet should consist of carbohydrates, which comes from fruits, vegetables, whole grains and other nutrient-dense and fiber-rich foods. Effects of mango for diabetes. As claimed by the American Diabetes Association, fruits are an essential part of the diabetes diet. Fruits provide the necessary nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. Hence, by including mango in your diet, it will reduce the appetite for sugary processed foods. Moreover, the carbohydrates in mango will affect the blood sugar levels. Only 1/2 of a small mango contains about 15 grams of carbohydrates, which is the right amount you should use in a diabetes diet. If you struggle with diabetes, you should consume a heaping 1/2 cup serving of mango on a daily basis. However, if you deal with diabetes, your doctor should give you recommendation about the proper diet. When it comes to fruit, you should limit the consumption because it is a source of fructose, which when taken in excess can increase the triglyceride levels. So, like with any food, you should take mango in the recommended amounts. Besides treating and preventing diabetes, mango will boost your intake of two crucial vitamins. A 1/2 cup serving of the chopped fruit supplies 50% and 18% of the daily value for vitamin C and A, respectively.